Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can install Venmo on your mobile device. So let's dive in. Let's start by opening the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or the Apple App Store if you're on an iPhone. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type in Venmo and hit search. Now, as you can see on my screen, Venmo isn't currently available in my region, so it's not showing up in the search results for me. But if Venmo is available in your country, you should see the official app listed here. It has a white V icon on a blue background, so it's easy to recognize. Once you spot the right app, you'll see an install button right next to it. Just tap that, and the app will begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a few seconds to a minute. Once it finishes, the install button will change to open. Tap open to launch the app. Now that you're inside the Venmo app, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. From here, you have two options. If you're new to Venmo, you'll want to tap on Sign Up. Venmo will ask you to enter your full name, email, phone number, and create a secure password. You might also need to verify your phone number with a code they'll send you via text. If you already have an account, simply tap Log In at the bottom of the screen. Enter your phone number, email, or username, along with your password, and you'll be signed in seconds. Once logged in, you'll have full access to your Venmo dashboard, where you can send and receive money, view transactions, and manage your balance or cards.